Can we give a real quick round of applause for the market? The new numbers are looking good. Inflation's looking all right. Is it a bull trap though? Are we gonna get dumped on by the whales and the sharks? Stay tuned for more. But guys, today we're talking about a couple of free mints, some degeneracy, some new launch pads coming into the scene of Solana, and some cool metaverse and gaming projects as well. If you guys are interested in some whitelist spots, just stick around, make sure to follow the rules, leave a comment down below, smash the like button on today's video, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. On top of that as well, guys, we are not financial advisors. Well, me and Kelvin, we're not financial advisors, so please take no financial advice from this video. Do your own research, be safe out there, grind on, baby, get that bag, and enjoy today's video. I'll see you guys on a live stream, and yo, subscribe, turn on notifications. Let's go. All right, guys, let's go and talk about a project called Desuki, which is going to be a mint on August 13th on the Solana blockchain at a 33 supply at a 2 SOL mint price. This is going to be a launchpad and marketplace that is dedicated to free mints. Heard that right. They're literally going out of the way to make a launchpad that launches projects that are free. Pure fucking degeneracy, boys. Real quick, I'm gonna give you guys 2 sneak peeks of the artwork behind the project, and then we'll dive into it a little bit more. But first off the rip, they look pretty cool. I do fuck with them. I think they make a decent PFP over here on the Solana blockchain. So what kind of dives into this free quote-unquote launchpad is that they already have 10 projects lined up for their launchpad of free degen mints, and the only issue I see with that is it's holder only. So there's a 33 supply from Desuki, and you can only mint on their free launchpad if you are a holder of their project. So is every single free mint they drop going to be a 33 supply? Is there going to be enough room? What if 500 Desukis are listed on the marketplace? Overall, I can see a few complications with this, that the math is not correct, but I mean, it could be good, but we'll just see what happens. On top of that, the project is also working on a collaborative manga. They want to create the best future selling manga of all time. Like I said, pretty decent PFPs as well. And then we do have some infrastructure here behind either the tokenomics or behind the mint revenue. It doesn't actually tell us. They also have plans of sharing 50% of the revenue from their manga, revenue stream to their holders of the project. And they have a massive 83-page white paper as well that explains the entire project, the security, the fees, the ICO, literally everything. It's a fucking massive white paper. But at the end of it, guys, do your own research. From what I'm seeing from it as like a standard consumer of a product like this, is I'm seeing a 2 SOL mint price. You're paying about $80-90 to get into a free launchpad that will give you free mints from that launchpad from random collections you don't fully know about yet. Then you'll also get revenue streams from their manga if executed correctly. And they got a pretty big Discord with about 23,000 members and a Twitter with 40K followers as well. The next project that I do want to go ahead and talk about is going to be the Flipside Metaverse, which is a project through a 999 supply, minting on August 19th at a 0.99 Solana price. And hey, stay tuned, we have some whitelist spots to be given away as well. Flipside is working on an epic metaverse, a comic book series, Gen 2 staking, and sandbox avatars throughout the entire gaming verse and metaverse of Solana. The project is formed and created by Kazuki Labs Incorporation. We can see these guys are fucking degens, bro. They're repping the merch. They're repping the PFPs on their heads. They got some streetwear. They got the shoes. I see the off-whites. I see the Jordans. I see the fucking whatever those are. I don't know much about shoes. I'm sorry. This project has made a massive statement over on Twitter. They have been getting so much attention lately because of just how they're promoting it and how they're fucking vibing out to the entire ecosystem. I'm fucking with it. Concept art looks amazing. They built up a beautiful looking trailer here. This is actually their website homepage as well. Fully animated, which is dope. And if we dive into it, we can learn a little bit more here as well. So as I mentioned earlier, guys, this is going to be a 99.9 supply at a 0.99 Solana mint price. It's a very cheap mint price at a very small supply. And one of the big things they're doing here, besides the metaverse, the comic book, and shares to their holders, is that 100% of the transfer tax goes back to their holders for a life. You'll also be able to enter into their D-list rallies where you'll be getting raffle tickets to enter into the Kazuki raffle and auction houses. Throughout that, there's going to be mini pools as well throughout their staking to earn their token and have that monetary value as well. So not only are you staking to earn their token, but you're also staking to earn royalties paid out in either Solana, Bitcoin, USDT, ADA, fuck Cardano, bro. And this is all from their Kazuki pools. Those are gonna be the staking pools shown right here. Something sick about this, as they are minting on the 19th, they're actually launching their metaverse on the 1st of September. So you got like a week and a half after the mint, about 10 days. The metaverse is live and you're ready to fucking game, play, get your characters, your avatars, and explore the entire Flipside metaverse. So throughout holding one of the first NFTs of this kind of like Genesis collection of the 999, you'll be eligible for 2 consecutive airdrops throughout its time. You'll be receiving one of the comic books shipped straight to you. And then the 2 airdrops you'll be receiving are going to be the Flipside Metaverse Land Deed and the Sandbox avatar that will be minted on Ethereum. A little bit of a sneak peek here of the actual avatars in the metaverse. Looking fucking clean, bro. I respect it, man. I think they're putting in work, bro. I really do. Utes? Hold on, what's going on here, boys? We got some insider. Utes is Flipside. I'm just joking. A couple of sneak peeks here of the characters you'll be seeing in the metaverse game as well. And of course, guys, be sure to do your own research. Stay safe out there. I'm gonna leave you with this dancing image of one of the maybe owners, founders, developers. Not 100% sure yet, but look at him go. 199 supply at a 0.99 Solana mint price. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do your own research. And whitelist spot giveaway in the Patreon down below. Go get it, baby. In other news of the market, we're going to go over a couple of projects here that I still fuck with to this day. Let's talk about Suteki and what Warm Talent, the artist behind the project, also a tattoo artist in real life, shouts out. This guy's going fucking hard, man. They are doing some crazy work on the revamp and art direction of Suteki. Here's another little sneak peek of Suteki and what they're doing. I think the crossover and this new brand look looks insane, bro. They went from like a 0.7, 0.8 Solana floor price to over 2 Sol in like 48 hours, I want to say. And they're getting that attention and that hype back to their project. And I still think this is one of the best looking anime projects on Solana for the PFP. And even checking out their banner here, as we can see, there is going to be some new sneak peeks of the artwork up there. And it looks fucking beautiful. So shouts out to the owners of this project. You know, I've been talking to them since before the project ever came out. It was one of the first DAO collabs with them as well. So I've been repping them. I fuck with them. Congrats, guys. Kill it. And real quick, I do want to talk about one more upcoming project. This is going to be called Yukiyo. Not 100% sure. I'm sorry. But I actually just saw this project in Ragnar's video. So Ragnar, I'm sorry, I'm taking this one. I think these things look fucking sick, bro. Here's the thing. We don't have a lot of information on this project at all. I think we have 2 or 3 total sneak peeks with a couple of, you know, scenery artworks here as well. Yeah, so we have 3 PFP sneak peeks and then a couple of the branding, scenery, marketing, trailer, you know, cool looking artwork. These look fucking good, man. These look good, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I think these look sick as fuck. Again, I don't know much about these at all. Let me drop a follow real quick. I hope these guys do something big. They're already up to 6K followers, which is pretty fat, and they're gaining attention relatively quickly. I don't know anything about it. Please, again, don't just mint this if you're seeing this later in the future. Because again, I really don't know much about it at all. I just now see it. These look gas. I fuck with the vision here. I'm going to use this one for my profile or my thumbnail. So thanks. But yo, boys, that's going to be it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Go check out the Jerzy YouTube channel and go check out the JPEG Jerzy Twitch as well. We're grinding over there. Almost 1,000 followers. And I hope you guys have a great day. If you do, let me know down below. And I'll see you guys later. Peace the fuck out. Love you guys. Bye.